Alright boys and girls, in today's video, got the YZ250 here, all dialed in, it's all ready, fresh oil change, fresh air filter, it's all good to go. Got a spare wheel here from our buddy Nate, so shout out Nate, I'll link his channel below. Went to Walmart, picked up $40 worth of supplies, some bubble wrap, some clear masking tape, and we can't see if we can't make ourselves a cheap tire.
Yep.
Do you think this is gonna work or not?
Scratching my head here on this. Yeah, it'll work.
I think the bubble wrap is gonna work perfect as a tire. It's gonna be nice and soft. It's gonna absorb all the bumps and everything, all the rocks and roots. I think it might be better than a stock rubber tire.
It's getting pretty low, dude.
That's pretty outdated technology there. Rubber tire.
I know.
We're trying to innovate here. Got a fresh wheel here. All the spokes are tight.
Yeah, they're all tight.
Throw that on the YZ and see if we can't make ourselves a cheap tire.
Yeah, y'all also gotta tell us what kind of tire y'all want to see in the comments so we can do another one.
First things first, we're gonna take off the stock tire, see if we can't get ourselves on a brand new rim and get this bubble wrap tire going.
Dang, the thing's tight on there, dude.
Tight, dude.
Should come off pretty easy, huh? Dang, this dude greases his stuff too?
No way. Dude,
no
I have
way.
the brand new high-tech gold grease.
Dang.
Oh yeah. The old bicycle trick. And just like that, we take our stock tire off.
Shoo, I don't know. We don't even know if it's gonna work yet. Oh, you're gonna find out.
It's gonna be a project, isn't it?
I mean, you guys are gonna find out if it's gonna work or not.
I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but in our heads, it's gonna work.
Yeah. I mean, I guess you guys will see by the thumbnail whether it works or not. But we're going in blind. Uh-oh. First problem. It looks like it's fitting.
Yeah. Hey, it fits.
Fresh sprocket too. Dude, that guy Nate's sweet.
Check that out. I think we should just ride it like that with no tire. Take a good look at that. Look at that. That's gold grease right there.
Yeah, it's kind of rich. YouTube been paying him good. Got gold grease. Come on now. Junk.
Old wheel, new bike. Works.
I mean, we're gonna see. All right, so we ran into our first problem. Rotor's too big, so I guess we're gonna run no brakes too.
I mean, honestly, what could possibly go wrong? I mean, we're running a bubble wrap tire, no rear brakes.
We're gonna have to take that off for sure. Now we got the brake rotor off. Should work. Spinning wheel now.
Yay! This is probably going to be the hardest part of the whole tire.
It's going to be jibber jabber. Some bike work.
Alright, we're getting it started here with a little strip of tape. I'm going to spin the wheel while Jake holds the bubble wrap, and we'll see if we can't make ourselves a tire.
Montage.
Jake found a new strat, making it a little easier making this tire. All finished with the bubble wrap on the tire, starting to go around it with zip ties because it's super unstable. It's like a jelly tire. Well, I'm gonna call it a wrap on that wheel. The bubble wrap wheel turned out insane. Threw the zip ties around it. I think it's gonna hold, boys. The tire's pretty firm. I don't think it's going nowhere. No back brakes with a bubble wrap tire. Let's go. Well, I'll see you guys at Black Ankle so we can test that thing out.
1 day later.
Three bike load up. Got our tire. Black Ankle we go. Finally made it to Black Ankle. Got the bubble wrap tire already over here by the starting gate. Gonna take it on its maiden voyage. Gonna have a whole lot of traction on this thing. Drop a comment if you guys think it's gonna work or not. A whole lot of time and effort into this thing. So hopefully it works. I hope it doesn't just fail right away.
We've seen everybody else do it as their little tiny test, you know. They do a little ride around test. We're doing a straight ripping test first. I mean, we're gonna give it the beans. I mean, this is what a dirt bike does. You race a dirt bike, you know what I mean? So here we are.
First test, we're gonna use it like a dirt bike tire.
Yep.
Everyone just rides it around on the concrete, so we're actually gonna take it on a dirt bike track.
Here at Black Ankle. All right, here's the moment of truth. Start that thing up.
I'm trying to be careful and not trying to pop the rear tire before we even go.
Remember, no rear brakes.
Back brake.
Well, guys, it came off. It didn't make it past the gate.
I lost my tire.
Yeah, I don't think it worked that well.
That didn't work at all.
Oh well.
Oh, now we get to ride around on bare rim. Damn it. Well, we tried it.
Tried it and we failed it. Goodness.
Well, that worked a lot better in my head.
Yeah. Yep. Full results here at Spicy Channel.
Hey, give the people what they want.
Yeah.
This first gear clutch dump.
Now we're going to try duct tape. Y'all hang tight. The ride of shame. Dang, didn't work. Ah, big bump. Oh well.
Trying Gorilla Tape on the tire. Toughest tape on the market. Another $40 from Walmart. See if we can't make ourselves a tire. Damn. It's gonna take forever.
Just try it, I guess.
Try with the bike run.
Yeah. Hang on. It's not working. I can't control it.
What, did you make a mess of it?
It started going crazy and it was burning my fingers, so I couldn't hold it like that. Oh well, come on, let's keep it going.
Montage.
Well, I guess, but the only thing tire looking about it is it's black.
Maybe get the tire speed.
I don't know, we got like maybe like a 1/4 of an inch of a tire here.
Probably needed like 4 more rolls of tape.
Yeah, but we've never done this before, so we just wouldn't know. And probably would have broke the bank since it was Gorilla Tape. Well, we'll see how this one does. Should hopefully last a little bit longer than the bubble wrap tire.
All right, man. I mean, pretty dialed. It's on there. It looks good. It got a little bit of tread left. Look like a street tire. Got the factory pipe. We're gonna hit some jumps.
We already did the start test already, so
Ain't no
see
point.
if we can't get some air now.
Yeah, ain't no point to redo stuff we already done. We're gonna hit some jumps.
Yeah, try to see how much air we can get.
All right, let's do it. Looks like it's working pretty good. I mean, it's good. The good thing everybody's got suspension.
1 pair of pants later.
We're not doing no warm-ups. We're doing straight to it. It works. It works. You got no traction. It's like a ball street tire. Oh, it sounds so bad when he lands, dude. All right, here we go with the double. Oh, dude, it sounds so bad. He made it though. Duct tape tires holding up pretty good.
Look at that! Tire's still holding up.
I know, it just looks like
Just
a
like we
street
just took it
tire.
off the stand.
Hey, that's
I was
mint.
kind of getting scared. It was starting spinning.
I know, dude. You should hear how it sounds. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's rough. We did the jump test. Now we need to do the berm test.
Just try to go around as fast as we can.
Yeah. No back brakes.
No back brakes. Berm test now.
Yeah.
Done everything so far.
This is after 2 good berm rips. I mean, it's crazy because it's just a little tiny bit shredded. But what we need to do now?
Full shot.
We need a whole shot. Next test. Whole shot test 2. Oh, it's working! It works so good! That's hilarious. Let's take a look.
This.
Dude, it looks good still. Now we gotta do the whoops.
We got a whoop test next. The mulch whoops.
Yep. Here's the mulch whoops. These things are sketchy. They're like so uneven and just bad, but gotta test it.
Well, how's the tire holding up after that?
Same as before.
Man,
Gorilla
we're really
Tape.
gonna have to do a burnout to finish it off.
We need them to let us know what kind of test they want to see with this. The next test, which is going to be the 110 with bald tire, he's still going to win. But duct tape tire versus regular tire, 250 versus 110.
All right, they're about to do a drag race. Go! Shit. Holy shit.
I don't know how I didn't crash. I
was completely sideways. I was completely sideways. Dude, that is so sketchy. So the results are in. Jake won.
Just the fastest guy alive.
Yup. This thing, I just got no traction. I almost crashed over there, drifting back and forth. I'm gonna have to let Jake take the World Cup champion out of this drag race. If it lasts, then we'll smoke it off again. It's burnout time, dude. Burnout time, you said? Maybe.
You get the idea.
Tyra has survived everything else, so time to send her home. Burnout test? Burnout test. We'll see if that finally finishes off our duct tape tire. Yeah. It lasted this long. We gotta find one way to get it off. Dude, it's still. Didn't even come off. Dang y'all. That is the toughest tape on the market. Gorilla tape. No more burnouts because I actually don't want to blow up the brand new YZ. Yeah, true. I mean, it just lives to see another day. That's the end of it because it worked. And it lasted. I mean, got a little burnt rubber. Crater in the ground. Cut up rock. Rim is still good? What? It's dialed. That's gonna be fun to clean. Oh. Uh-oh. Nice and hot. Oh, yeah. Cannot believe that there's still tape on that tire. Had just enough time to throw the rear tire back on the YZ. It's about a storm here. Got to do the fastest 3-bike load up ever.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
How did that happen so fast? It went from a super hot and sunny day to now it's about a thunderstorm. It's just black. It's raining back there. It's starting to sprinkle now. Way too windy right now. Way to hit that jump and go the wind died down here. Thought it was about to hit us hard. Blew my hairline away. Tape tire pretty much held up. I mean, there's still tape on the rim. It's pretty solid. Let us know what else we should try as a tire. The tape held up pretty good. A lot better than the bubble wrap. I'm gonna have a whole lot of fun cleaning up all that rubber under there. We're about to head out since it's gonna rain anyways. Got all the bikes loaded up. Wish we could have done some more riding. We had a little bit of a false alarm with the wind and rain, but it's still gonna rain later tonight anyways. That tape tire was a success, so we're gonna head out of here. Let us know if you use a tire next, and I'll see you boys and girls in the next one.